Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Back with y'all, YouTube. Alright, we about to go ahead and install these, man. Attempt to, rather. Because like I said, these not made for any specific vehicle. So, when I close my door, this is too close to keep pushing it up, so I ain't even try to glue it down or whatever, or, you know, the 3M tape it. I was going to sand all these out, as y'all can see, but changed my mind. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a cut right there so I can just push it back a little bit and put it in and call it a day from there. So let me go and get to it, man. Alright, YouTube, this is what I was talking about. I'm working it now. Gotta work it in. So I have even straight lines and stuff. See, I still gotta go up where I marked it at. But by doing this, see if I can do it one-handed. I'm already one-handed, finger still fucked up. But by doing this, this out the way. You see how I can slide in a little bit? That's all I need. Slide in a little bit. Clean this up. Then I can silicone the back. You know, even if it's a little gap, I can silicone it and just paint it. Because it's still a plastic piece over there, so I can paint it. And good as like it belonged there. So let me go ahead and clean this up, man. Alright, YouTube, I ended up cutting a piece off because this little area right here, it had to be open in order for it to slide back and be even. But this is what I'm thinking right now, though. Thinking I could have it like that. Just like that. Instead of laying it flat. So, I don't know. I ain't worried about the front passenger hitting it because you see that metal piece. If you hit this, then you will tear your foot up anyway. And this is flush, even in the back. The back passenger is metal right there. And then, to me, this might be a little bit better. So, I mean, not better, but noticeable, because when you open the door, you really gonna see it. Like, damn, what the hell is that lighting up in this car? You know? And this is where that, matter of fact, this is where, my fault, y'all. This is where that go. So I ain't missing nothing at all. But I will cut this and set it back, or put this in back of it, just to make sure. Like I could put this right back in the back of this, just to give it some more protection, because this actually just covers that part. So let me know what y'all think, man.